Let's take a look at the newest edition of District Wins. Check out Fort Myers High School alumni Destiny Henderson arriving to the recent WNBA draft in some mighty fine fashion. It was just a few weeks ago when she helped her South Carolina teammates win the NCAA National Championship and then was drafted in the second round by the Indiana Fever. Keep it going, Destiny, and congratulations on your incredible career. Well, we need to recognize this large group of Gateway Elementary School students for making the A Honor Roll, the AB Honor Roll, perfect attendance, and our special areas such as music, art, and PE. Outstanding job for all of these young Gateway Gators. Let's send well-deserved congratulations to these Harns Marsh Middle School students, Madison and Gerson, who were the winners of the Soft Skills Challenge during College and Career Week. These soft skills include teamwork, patience, time management, and communication. You're looking at the very first ever Dunbar High School Junior ROTC drone team that just competed in the district qualifier and had 3 cadets qualify for the district championship later this month. We say congratulations to Rodney Jackson, Brandon Pierce, and Christopher Camarino, along with Kenjorne Freeman, and we'd like to wish all of you the very best of luck at the district championship. Okay, these 8th grade Lehigh Acres Middle School students are having a fantastic time at their PBIS party. PBIS stands for Positive Behavioral Interventions and Supports, and we're proud to say these scholars did not have a single referral all of the third quarter. Finally, over to Mirror Lakes Elementary School, where these students were busy learning about colonial America in Mrs. Stump's class. They created a batch of butter and candles to proudly show us. This is something they will never forget. If you'd like to see your school featured in District Wins, send us your photos and information to news@leeschools.net.